Hi, good day. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the catalog feature. From the name catalog, let's say for example, you want to create a listing of items that you sell, like product listing, item listing. Like let's say you want to display your furniture, you want to display your artwork, you want to just showcase your product. You can use the catalog feature. It can be used in different kind of use cases for marketers, for vendors, for lot of things. In my own example, I'm going to be using it to I'm going to be using it to display my cars, the list of cars that I have in my garage that I want to sell. So without further talks, let's get to business. So you can use this search box. I assume you already have your app already, like mine here, and you just want to add the catalog feature. You can search the catalog here, you just add it from here. So I'm just going to click here. I'm going to name a catalog. I'm going to just change the icon to this. I'm going to change the name to catalog. Then so the first thing first is create. First of all, I want to change the design to this. I'm going to first of all create categories. So I'm going to add like 3 categories. I'm going to name this one Benz as in Mercedes Benz. This one will be Tesla. My Tesla. And then let me just use Toyota here. Okay, so now I have 3 categories. Now what is left is adding product to these categories. Under Benz, let me add Benz. I'm going to add cat. I'm going to click that. You see, I clicked on that cat. I'm not sure if you've seen it, but this cat here, right here, that's where I clicked. So I'm going to name it Mercedes Benz 2022. I'm going to please buy our Mercedes Benz 2022. So I'm going to add the price here like $7,000. I'm going to add the pictures of the Mercedes Benz. Oh, the picture is being added. I'm going to click, and then I'm going to click enable format. Enable format is, let's say for example, the product you are listing is of different sizes. Let's say for example it is a shoe or a shirt. So I can say Benz 2021 here. I can see the price is 71,000. I can see Benz 2021B, the price is 75,000. I can see Benz 2021C, the price is 76,000. Still sorry. Okay, so I can add more formats. So I'm going to click save. So that one has been saved under Mercedes. I can add more products by clicking on this cart. So let me add Benz new. This is Benz new model. I can add price as $50. I can add a picture. Let me add a picture. I'm going to change the picture to something different. God, what picture can I use? I'm still going to, okay, let me use this one. you can see I'm going to enable product format, or no, let me enable product format for this one, since I've already done an example for you in the earlier design. So I'm going to just click save. So you can see under Mercedes-Benz, I have this Mercedes-Benz 2022, I have this Mercedes-Benz new. I can add more products under Tesla and under Toyota, but I don't have enough pictures. I only have these 2 pictures. So depends, you can use it for different use cases. You can use it for your food, you can use it for different kind of food items, you can use it for furniture, you can use it for, just think about it, think about your business, think about your product, and then create a categories and then upload your catalog pictures where users can check. It can even be an album or something. Just catalog, you know how this works. Oh, okay, so now let's test the jargons I don't it. Let's see my Mercedes-Benz. So I'm going to see changes. I'm going to click on see changes so the phone can be refreshed. Ooh, see how fine it is. So here is the 2 product I just added. If I click on this cart and add another product, now it's going to appear below. You can see this one. You can see this one now with the description that I wrote. So if I click on this, it's going to take me to the price. You can see, so you can see the prices for Benz 2021 here. If you remember, for the first product I created different kind of prices for it. I'm going to you can still edit what you have added before, and you can delete it with this. So I'm going to click edit. This is the format. You can see format is the prices. You can see here for Benz 2021 here, you can see the price 71, 75, 76. I can go back and then you can see Benz new, the other format. This one, Benz new, you can see this is the product. So it goes on and on. But remember, user can only see the catalog. They can't actually perform an action like buying it. They can't perform an action like buying the actual item. All they can do is see it, just like an actual catalog. If you want to sell the item, actually you have to use the commerce feature or the commerce pro feature. In the next tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to use the commerce and the commerce pro feature. So that is that about the catalog feature. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please kindly subscribe to our channel. Also, before I go, remember that this feature is a pro feature and it is only available to paid plan and white label users. Free users does not have access to this feature. So if you want to use this feature, you may have to upgrade to higher plans. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.